Before installation, we need to prepare pry tool, T10 screwdriver, T20 screwdriver, cross screwdriver. Step 1. Turn off the main screen. Use the pry tool to pry out the rear vent. Take it off and disconnect the cable. Then pry out the rear panel too. Grab the T20 screwdriver, unscrew 2 screws that holding the rear kick-proof panel. Disconnect the cable. Step 2. Transfer AC vent and the ports. Use the T20 screwdriver to take off the vent. And grab the T10 screwdriver to take off the USB port. Use the pry tool to take off the 2 clips. Step 3. Transport the 2 clips to the new rear display. Transport the USB ports to the display. And transport the air vent to the display. Step 4. Disconnect the blue OBD plug, and connect the adapter from the kit. Install back the rear kick-proof panel. Don't forget to install back the 2 screws. Install the bracket that is from the kit. This can help to hold the display more steadily. Connect 2 plugs to the display. Then install the display back in the car. Pry out the passenger seat panel. Run the seat control cable under the seat, and connect the seat control cable adapter together. Then you're able to control the passenger seat,